The white, frozen lake stretched all the way to the foot of the snowy mountain. Excavator and Bear stood beside a tiny round fishing hole. Bear looked visibly sad. Bear's face lit up. He brightened instantly. He spread his arms wide, opening the bucket as far as it could go on both sides. Bear used a stone to draw a large circle on the ice surface. A moment later, Bear came running with 2 reindeer, then grabbed a drill set and headed toward the hole. Bear walked over, set the box down, and took out a drill. The drill bit punched into the white ice. Shards of ice sprayed everywhere as the spinning bit whirred rapidly.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Bear gripped the drill's body tightly with both hands as it shook violently. A moment later, a crack tore its way across the marked line. The crack burst open, Bear panicked and ran off, while Excavator widened its eyes, staring down at its prey.
Oh my God!
The crack split open, and Excavator tumbled, flailing in the icy lake.
Help! Help! Somebody help!
Let's go!
Cat and Clamshell approached, lowering their arms to lift Excavator out. The entire Excavator was lifted out of the water and gently set down on the ground.
Thank you!
The crane truck reeled the fishing line up from the hole. A salmon appeared, dangling from the hook. Golden sunlight spread across the cornfield, the tall stalks rising above head height. Bear stopped in front of a tall corn plant. His waddling steps carried him toward the tractor, where he poured the corn into its cargo belt.
Okie dokie.
The tractor gave a light bounce and blinked in agreement. Its wheels turned, and the whole vehicle moved forward. The tractor backed into the barn, lifted its cargo belt, and the corn poured out. Bear gripped the base of the corn stalk tightly with both hands. He planted his feet firmly and leaned his body backward. The rows of corn stretched out in straight lines across the field. Suddenly, a dark cloud rolled in, swallowing the sunlight.
Oh my God!
Bear pulled out a watch. His thumb pressed firmly on the PTT button.
Your headquarters, come in. I found the biggest patch of blueberries ever. Over!
Clamshell approached, and Bear raised his hand and signaled.
Hi there, Clamshell Truck. Wow, it is great to see you today. Are you ready to get started?
Okay.
Bear and Clamshell moved into the cornfield. gathered the stalks and set them aside. The tractor backed in, and Clamshell used its arm to scoop up the rows of corn and load them into the cargo bay.
Morning, Mr. Excavator. It's a beautiful day for building, isn't it?
Okay.
The tractor, its cargo bed full, moved toward the barn. The tractor backed in, tilted its cargo bed, and the rows of corn slid down. In the end, Bear, the tractor, and Clamshell celebrated together.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to the farm.